Dr. Kari Telli, you have given here in Estonia 6 different seminars for various target groups, for politicians, administration people, for industry and companies, and for scientists and research people, all related somehow with space. What can you say based on those seminars and feedback? What position Estonia is as a relatively new ESA member state?
Estonia is now new ESA member state, and that gives nice opportunities for you and Estonian industry communities. And my personal feeling is that you are very well prepared for this type of participation. Of course, it's up to you how you will utilize these possibilities. ESA is covering almost all the activity areas, and you have to make your selection and the decision where you feel focus your activities on.
Today you focused on aspects related to scientific organizations and research, and the scientific program is one of the ESA mandatory program. What chances are Estonian scientists to get into ESA projects and the scientific program?
I think that the possibilities are very good. And first of all, ESA's space science program is mandatory, and you are participating in that program because of this mandatory nature. But in addition, you have made the decision to join ESA's Earth Observation Envelope program, and that gives Earth science community good opportunities for participation. And I think that you are very well prepared for such participation.
ESA is also known as a very thorough organization. Everything that ESA does usually very perfectly and very thoroughly. It also makes quite a high threshold for entering such a scene. What can you say about the newcomers? What they should focus on or prepare most?
Of course, it depends on the sector. I think that scientists have good opportunities for participation. They are international and they are having the needed capabilities. For industry, this is more challenging because building hardware which will fly on space in satellites, that is challenging. But I think that certainly your industry is capable for doing that. It will take some time, but basically you have needed capabilities.
What good suggestions would you give for organizations who consider proposing center to ESA?
If we are thinking about industry, of course industry should make a real decision about a commitment. Of course, commitment to space matters is long-term commitment, and of course that needs the highest level commitment from the companies to do that. And of course, after that, they have to create the capabilities which are needed. And ESA has created a so-called Estonian incentive scheme for creating such capabilities. And so everything is ready for you from ESA's viewpoint.
Thank you very much for these enlightening seminars.
Thank you very much.